Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you my Mercedes S63 and I'm going to change the dome light from original OEM bulb to LED bulbs. And the LED lights I'm using from Ala Lighting. I'll provide you the link under my description. Please check it out in case you want to upgrade yours. At this moment, if I turn the lights on, this is how the lights look. And I'm going to change it to LED, then they're going to look beautiful. And let's get started. Open, and if you see there are two screws, one here, the plastic screws. You put the flathead screwdriver just like this, and you make sure that you turn it. You need a bigger screwdriver. If you don't have a screwdriver, you can use a dime or quarters or something, whatever work for you. See, as you open it, you notice it comes down. And then once it comes down, you pull forward a little bit. And these are the one we are turning, and they are going inside here and locking it. And why I pull it front, these two, one on this side, one on this side, goes inside and sits in there. And now if we look at, these are the lights. So we're going to turn anti-clockwise to open it, and we're going to pull it out just like this. This is very easy. You just pull it out, and this is the LED we're going to replace it with. So we're just going to put it inside just like this. That's it. The light look at the bottom, and this is when we're going to replace it, and the cutout going to go on this side. Then we're going to turn around the clockwise. Look at the difference. This is the LED. This is the regular OEM light. It's very easy, and I'm going to replace the second one the same way. So we're going to turn it, take it out. This is the bulb. We're going to put the LED in and drop it in on the cutout, and then we're going to turn it clockwise. And on those two, we're going to put it back, and we just like this. And we're going to open this. First, you need to do this side. You just make sure that you turn it. That locks in. Then you press it in. The same thing you do it, and it locks in. And look at this. Beautiful LED light. It's so bright, super bright. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a like to this video and subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.